Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Crust network token. Ticker symbol is CRU. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Crust network. Ticker symbol CRU. This token is being listed tomorrow, January 10th, 12 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. Now, if you don't have an Mexc Global account and you're looking to get this token, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is just go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search CRU, which is the ticker symbol, and then you'd simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, they do have an announcement page on Mexc Global talking about how this is in the trading section, innovation zone, starting tomorrow. It says Crust Network is a decentralized cloud storage provider, which was designed to realize our 3 core values: decentralization, privacy, and assurance. Crust supports multiple storage layer protocols, such as IPFS, and exposes instant accessibility on-chain storage functions for users. Crust's technical stack is also capable of supporting data manipulation and computing. Crust Network has 3 main functions: NFT and metaverse data storage, personal file storage, and website DApp hosting. There is a total supply of 20 million CRU tokens. Now, their block explorer is available on here. So it says that they have, this is an Ethereum token, by the way, ERC20 token, 5,485 holders right now, 84,220 transfers, 18 decimal places, and on their Etherscan, you can find a contact email. They have Medium articles, Discord, Facebook, Twitter, GitHub, Telegram, full white paper, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Reddit, and Uniswap links. So all sorts of links available on their Etherscan. Tons of socials. Now, their white paper is not an insanely long white paper. It is 19 pages long if you want to go through it, but it does have very, very tiny print. But yeah, very technical. Lots of info on here. Scroll down, see if they have a roadmap on it. Doesn't look like they have a roadmap on their white paper that I could see. Is probably on their webpage. Now, their Twitter is at Crust Network. Pretty easy to find. They have 108,200 Twitter followers. So they're doing insanely well on their socials. Crust.network is their official webpage. It says connecting you to IPFS through Polkadot. Substrate Builders program they have as well. Crust.network has, you can subscribe to a newsletter at the very top of their page here. They have the Crust mainnet. They have a link to Get CRU. It says, we won the 30th Polkadot parachain. They have documents, like how to get started. You can change the language. You can check out Crust events that they have as well. Storage capacity is on here. They have over 548,000 TB. Global distributed storage nodes 1,270. Real-time storage fees on here and storage orders. What is Crust? Well, Crust Network is a decentralized cloud storage provider, which is designed to realize the 3 core values. So we already went over that here, but it goes over them in a little more detail. So decentralization and privacy. To build on the Crust decentralized storage market, Crust uses a trustless and low-cost TEE-based technology called MPOW, which validates and manages storage resources. Backed by MPOW, Crust is an open source network that allows any storage server to join. Furthermore, files stored on Crust are encrypted to guarantee privacy. It's also safe and efficient. So Crust is a blockchain network with a POS-derived consensus called GPOS, which GPOS consensus, the network is safe, robust, and efficient. It is guaranteed to be secured by both token assets and storage resources. And availability and assurance. Unlike our competitors, Crust has created an on-chain storage marketplace called DSM, a decentralized storage market. Through DSM, users can easily upload files and place storage orders in a network in only 1 to 2 minutes. To maintain a file availability, up to 50 replicas are stored in the network. In addition, Crust provides a storage assurance pool for customized or permanent storage of high-value files such as NFT metadata. It says trusted by industry leaders. It's got DApp hosting, NFT meta storage, and encrypted IPF storage. They got different partners on here like Aave, Polkadot, Uniswap, IPFS, Liquidity. It says experience now. You can check out Crust files, Deku, decentralized storage market. Check out demos. Start using Crust storage interfaces. There's guides for that as well. Crust cross-chain storage is available on Polkadot and Web3 platforms like Aquila, Astar, Bitfrost, computation for Web3, all sorts of stuff on here. So the roadmap is available on their page. They call it the timeline here, and it goes pretty far back. It looks like all the way back to 2018, where their team was founded, and then they did the proof of concept, and then Rocky DevNet, Maxwell CC2 Open Testnet, then the Maxwell Preview Network, and then Mainnet, and then cross-chain storage interfaces, Crust Data Indexing Service, and then coming this year, they're going to have Crust Data Encryption and Authorization Service, Crust Data Identity and Trading Service, MPOW Storage Proof v2, Scaling Crust Network in 2024, and then MPOW Storage Proof v3, ZK Proof. You can check out all their community on here, their partners, all sorts of links, their white paper. They have an economy white paper, and they have a technical white paper as well. Check it out, Crust.network. This token gets listed on Mexc Global starting tomorrow. Check out that Mexc referral code down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment. What do you guys think about Crust down there in the comment section? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.